Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So Doge is still gaining some upside momentum, starting to look quite interesting. This is obviously only the micro perspective here. I think it might make sense to open briefly the larger time frame chart first before we dive deeper into the micro. This is a bullish overview. I mean, you know, why do I show the daily charts more and more? Because when we have bigger movements like this, I mean, down here, I didn't need to show you the daily chart all the time, but here to get people an understanding of, don't focus so much on the micro. This is the big movements are here, and you don't want to sell back in the third wave to buy back the smallest fourth wave pullback. It often doesn't work, right? Because you get too small with your position and it's running away from you. That's often what happens. And then you could have held just throughout the main element of the trend anyway. You can do that. I think, reasonable strategy is to have a core position when you want to trade such a coin, and then you trade around it, with a smaller position, but you need to make sure that your core position doesn't get too small until you really want to get out. Or you're just going to miss the boat. That is what often happens because these third waves, they can extend and so on. But anyway, for Doge, we had another setup on the smaller time frame. We're going to talk about that in a minute. Here on the bigger picture time frame, larger time frame, I only want to make it brief. Overall, the idea is that in the coming months, we could see the price get to around about $1.30 to $2.11, maybe even higher, but let's first get there. And on the smaller time frame, we could get a few more upside squiggles to complete this third wave there, then get another pullback forming a higher low in wave 4, another rally in wave 5 of 3, another higher low, and another higher high. This is the ideal roadmap. That's what I would like to see. All of that based on the condition and provided, obviously, that we're holding key support levels, which at the moment are located between 20.7 and 32.5 cents. We're currently above that support. Probably even this one is still relevant, which I show you on the 1 hour time frame. And should we form another high, then the 60-cent level is the next target. Above that level, we've got resistance at around 77 cents. I believe, is that the all-time high? It is, isn't it? Yeah, it's the all-time high. And then above that level, we've got 84 cents. So we should break the all-time high. That's the idea. I think some people still haven't understood that we are probably at least in the mini altcoin season. But this could be the thing, this is the real deal. This takes us to new all-time highs and could end this cycle. People still waiting for that altcoin season. Well, it's here. Okay. Now, again, what is altcoin season? People expect Bitcoin dominance to drop massively. Maybe. Bear in mind that, other players are controlling the market now to a degree, and they are focused more on Bitcoin. So we might not see that massive drop. Altcoin season might be a bit different. Whatever. We see those rallies that we normally see in an altcoin season on several crypto charts. Not on all of them. There are just too many bad coins out there. But looking at the smaller time frame, Doge, as we talked about in the last video, formed here. No, that's H-bar. Looks very similar, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an H-bar video later. Doge, there you go. See, very similar. On the Doge chart, you could even say that maybe this was a triangle, but I'm labeling that as an ABC structure as per previous updates. The price reacted to micro support here between 37.2 and 31.7 cents. The idea was that if a fifth wave is unfolding, we shouldn't break below that low anymore. So very clear invalidation point. And to get further confirmation that this internal fifth wave of wave 3 has actually started, we want to see a break above that green line. That would involve the previous swing highs to be broken and the internal third wave high at 44.5 cents. So we are getting there. And then we have next resistance around 48 cents and then that kind of 60-cent level, which is crucial. So upside momentum is at the moment growing. Could become an interesting weekend for altcoins. We can make a case for an upside breakout. So we just need to let it happen, right? And I think at the moment there are just these few levels that need to be paid attention to. And please note that the invalidation point locally is that 36.5 cent level, which is the last swing low from the 26th of November. So I'm watching for higher prices at the moment. Yeah, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Like every weekend on X, we have launched our poll for a specific video that will only be published on X, formerly Twitter, You can vote. You let us know your coin requests this week on X, and we've consolidated them so you can vote for Chill Guy, VRA, Jasmine, and Avo. And yeah, one of them will make it. And probably today I will then publish that video of the winner on X. So feel free to check it out. And if you're interested, yeah, follow us there as well. There are plenty of additional updates, discount codes, and so on that you can check out, mindset stuff. So yeah, maybe you're interested, lots of value there. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.